M? Yep. Well, actually, ये इवेंट में कोरियोग्राफ किया है और डिज़ाइन किया है. एक्चुअली ये शो में डिज़ाइन और कोरियोग्राफ किया है मेरा डांस कंपनी के साथ. एंड आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड बिकॉज मिस इंडिया इज़ वेरी स्पेशल टू मी बिकॉज जब ऐश्वर्या बिकेम मिस वर्ल्ड में उसको ट्रेन किया, प्रियंका को ट्रेन किया. सो फॉर मी ये बहुत स्पेशल है बिकॉज आई नॉर्मली ट्रेन द गर्ल्स. दिस टाइम आई एम जस्ट कोरियोग्राफिंग एंड जजिंग. तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है ये. They all won. प्रियंका को जब मैं ट्रेन किया उन लोग को all 3 won. So I think I'm a lucky mascot. So next time they come and train with me, I'm sure they'll win. I'm just fooling. But the thing is that I think that it's good that you never know. 14 years pass, but India's got the most. This time especially they're very beautiful. They're really beautiful women. So I think it's going to be fantastic. Oh my God. Some of them are my students, so I can't say. I can't be biased. I have to judge it, so I'm just waiting to see the best wins. I choreograph Shahid right now. He's performing. Jacqueline's performing, and Karina's performing. Kanika Kapoor's performing. So I'm excited about that. Shahid has not told me he's getting married.
But he told the media.
He told the media he's getting married. Well, best of luck for him. I hope he gets married, and I hope he finds a good girl, which I'll first see if she's a good girl, and then I will see that he's a good boy also.
Thank you. Just guys, please.
Yes.
First of all, a very happy birthday, man.
Yeah. So it's not my birthday. It's 30th of August. That's wrong. My birthday is 30th of August. But thank you. I know I've been getting a lot of birthday wishes. I know. Well, I think Femina Miss India एक बहुत ही prestigious contest है. और हम इसको बहुत सालों से देखते आ रहे हैं. The history behind it is amazing. So yeah, I'm very excited today. आज मैं judge. I think this is the second time I'm judging. So I'm very happy to be here. I think बहुत interesting performances हैं, and of course जो girls हैं, I've heard are there's a very good lot of people, and it'll be very tough to judge them. So let's see what happens. Let's see who wins.
What are the 3 things you look into whenever somebody walks through them?
For me, I think confidence is probably the most beautiful thing. Na overconfidence ho, na under ho, but I think it's the right kind of comfort that you have with yourself. I think that is very important. And honesty, a certain amount of genuineness should be there. And an attitude. I think that's important. How do I define beauty? I think, see, beauty to me, like I said, I think confidence is a very beautiful thing. A lot of times, you may not have the absolute perfect face, लेकिन एक जो आपका अपना एक self belief होता है, confidence जो होता है, I think that is very attractive in a person. So that's very important. Without that, I think even a very beautiful person is not so attractive for me. Yeah.
Not heard that you're turning producer now.
I'm still working at it, so we'll make an announcement soon.
But is it there in the pipeline?
It is in the pipeline.
Rangana, do you wish to fall in love again? Do you see you getting married?
Well, we'll see about that. Anything else? I've heard there's a girl called Nafisa Hope. I don't know her right name. Tanya Hope. Sorry. Yes. I think she's interesting. Yeah.
Almost 14 years in Miss World or Miss Universe.
What's my reaction on that? I think, well, I mean, sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. I don't think it's something that can happen every single year. but जो एक Indian presence है globally is only increasing every year. Whether it is, you know, whether it is to do with the girls from here, whether it is the cinema, whether it is everything, the businesses. India is really becoming more and more global. So yeah, I think I'm sure one of the girls tonight will go and do something on the international. Well, there isn't much actually. I think I'm the wrong person to answer. I don't think I should be answering that. Yeah.
Tell us about something about your role in the film, if you can.
Well, that's. I mean, when we do announce the film, I think we'll come to it. It's. I think Sudhir Mishra should be answering the question.
The working experience with Mr. Bachchan.
Sorry?
The working experience with Mr. Bachchan.
I haven't yet worked with him. I would love to work with him. If I can ever get a chance to work with Mr. Bachchan, I think he's you know, I think he's one of the absolute stalwarts of Indian cinema, you know, so that would be like your career is complete when you work with him. So it would be great. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
What email ID for Aiba?
How are you doing? Good. So you're around? Okay, good. So let's do something. See you. Can we go back? Yes. Yeah?
बाइक के पहले एक बार यहाँ उधर इधर बात that's it, yeah. ठीक है? हाँ. Bye. Yeah. Yes. Well, it's always. I look here. Okay. What am I looking for? Very difficult. Whenever you're judging, you ask this question: what are you going to be looking for? There are a lot of beautiful people, but it's that X factor that I always look for. It's something that cannot be described, but when you look at it, it touches you, and it's something just a little bit more than just a beautiful face. That's what I would look for. I'm judging. Alag hai, khas hai, huh? No, but I think every year बहुत सारी यहाँ पे I think हर साल बहुत सारी लड़कियाँ बहुत सारे सपने लेके आती हैं और ये बहुत अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म है, बहुत लोगों के करियर्स यहाँ से टेक ऑफ किए हैं. सो आई एम श्योर ये बात ही बहुत खास है कि एक सेट ऑफ न्यू गर्ल्स विल बी लॉन्च्ड, सो टू से, एंड इट्स ऑलवेज अ प्लेजर टू वॉच ब्यूटीफुल फेसेस. जैसे मैंने अभी बताया कि वेयर आई एम कंसर्न, आई डेफिनेटली लुक फॉर द एक्स फैक्टर also. That is a secret. I think maybe इसीलिए ये टाइटल्स बहुत स्पेशल होते हैं क्योंकि इतनी इजी. आई शुड से इट हियर, राइट? सॉरी, आई जस्ट से इट हियर. आई थिंक इतने सालों में मिस इंडिया, मिस यूनिवर्स हमारे यहाँ आए नहीं है टाइटल्स, लेकिन इसीलिए ये टाइटल्स इतने स्पेशल होते हैं क्योंकि इजी नहीं होते हैं मिलना. लेट्स होप दैट इस साल हमारे पास कुछ ऐसी लड़कियाँ हैं जो इन टाइटल्स को वापस हमारे देश में लेके आए. आई थिंक अकॉर्डिंग टू मी बहुत अच्छा चला है वो. इट वॉज अ 6-month शो विच वेंट ऑन फॉर 7.5 months फॉर मी. सो इससे ज़्यादा वक्त मैं उसको नहीं दे सकती. I am taking a break because abhi it was too much of time to give and my son is too young. I need to give him the time. So it's I'm definitely for a few months taking a break and then I'll think about it. गर्ल पावर की बात हो रही है, गर्ल पावर की बात हो रही है तो सानिया नेहवाल जो है
बैडमिंटन की फर्स्ट प्लेयर चुनी गई है वर्ल्ड।
So I have to say that I'm a very big fan of Sania Nehwal. I think she's a wonderful, not only a player, but I love the way, I love her energy. Okay, I'm a very big fan of Sania Nehwal, and I think she's a fantastic player. She's also a fabulous. I love the energy that she has, and I think she's someone whom I look up to. No, I haven't. I have no comments on that. Thank you.
Thank you.